hair is done. Looks like we've got a storm brewing. How exciting! Just getting myself ready to be on camera so I actually feel confident and presentable as I go through all these pieces and decide what to keep and what to get rid of. All right, I finished my face and now I'm just doing my hair. I'm sure this is gonna fall out like probably in the next hour. It is so hot and humid. Not that I'm going outside, but I do feel like it doesn't matter. The humidity can affect the inside as well. Okay, yeah. Ooh, that looks nice. That looks nice. I like it. Hair is done. We're ready. What I have is I pulled out the rolling rack. What's so nice is that I will have 6 feet of bar total, and that is 6 feet total. It's perfect. Also, I get my hair done in like 2.5 weeks. I'm so excited. It's been a long time. It's been schedule differences, and then my stylist, Alicia, she got married. So many good things happened, but it's been a while since I've been able to go, so I can't wait. Gunner, are you tired? I kind of feel like the way to go about this is to just make piles of like things. So long sleeve, dressy tops, all jeans, all shorts, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, I'm very excited. So we're gonna take out the second and third shelf, and then we're gonna do 1 bar here and another one down here, and then just 1 bar on this side for longer things. I've gotta go through all these shoes. So a lot of these, say goodbye, or they could be yours. Here is what we're working with. All of my shoes, almost all my clothes, almost. There's a couple more drawers of like sleep stuff, gym stuff. All right, let's get to it. All right, so here is the rack of all the clothes that I'm keeping. Just so you know, this is for the most part all of my winter, summer, spring, and fall. I have a few pieces in our storage unit that are heavy, like super heavy pieces for winter that will not fit, and I keep those in our storage unit. But otherwise, this is it. And I also would love to pare it down even more, but we'll see. And here is the pile of things I'm gonna sell. Obviously, I need to get it organized. And then I have a big pile here. And I'm still trying to figure out what platform to use. Everybody is screaming, Poshmark, use Poshmark. I don't know. Thing is, I already have everything set up on eBay. So I think that's the platform I'm just gonna use to sell everything, because I don't wanna have to make a Poshmark account. I don't know, I need to do some research. And then also bags, not selling that or that. I'm figuring out the rest. I need to go through everything and figure out what to sell there. Okay, so we are actually tackling the closet today, you guys. So I'm gonna take you along with me doing that, make sure that's even. And it should go pretty smooth. We've taken everything out, bar itself, the shelves that we don't need anymore. We're gonna use the old shelving and salvage the parts that are still good and definitely usable and cut them down shorter so that they can fit on the sides. We have the rods in. Now what I'm gonna do is some spackling. So I need to just refill all the holes. Jeremy went to go get a piece that's gonna cover this gap. I don't even know why there is a gap, but we pulled off the old shelf and huge gap. Makes no sense to me. But anyway, so we're gonna just cover that up, and then he's getting some kills and some paint. So let's do this. Okay, so as you can see, the white piece is up, hole is gone. And I just got done doing all of the spackling, and then it dried, I sanded it, and now we're gonna paint. This feels like old times when we were renovating the entire apartment. But guys, this is going to slay. I'm so excited. These are definitely burning. Ow. So it must be working. These are the Pixie eye patches. They're fun. I like them. Yeah. Hello and good morning. I'm getting ready to go get my hair done, which I'm so excited for. I need a trim so bad. And I wanted to show you a painting that I did. This is for my hairdresser, Alicia. She has done so much for me, and she's such a lovely person. And anyway, I painted this for her, and I hope she likes it. I'm gonna give it to her this morning. This is a new little abstract, and I feel like it turned out really good. We're gonna grab coffee, get the hair done. Here is my outfit. Just a black silk button-up, and wearing my leggings and flip-flops.
He's gonna give you the look. She's gonna give you what you're looking for.
There you go. It's a video.
Oh my gosh, you guys.